How to program fan effect for MT02 rotating 3D LED tube with Madshow. Run Madshow as administrator. Click Configuration in the upper left corner, Device Manager, click Search, select Device and click Application. Click Layout Map Layout, delete the original layout and click the plus sign to add the figure. The 6 here means 6 PCS LED tube. The maximum which one universe supports is 6 PCS LED light tube. 26 represents the total pixel quantity of the 1 meter LED tube, and one motor need to count the pixel quantity according to the specific LED light which need to be controlled. Continue to add figure and modify the starting position to avoid overlapping figure. Modify the start universe below to avoid overlapping signals. Set the start channel to 1, and so on to add figure. Modify the matrix size according the layout. The motor needs to be dialed according to the universe. The first motor in universe 1 is dialed to A, and the second one is dialed to B. When the 6 units in the first universe are dialed out, the first unit in the second universe will be dialed to A, and so on. Drag the lighting effect into the control bar to modify it, and enter the specific parameters according to the actual project situation. Rename layers for ease of administration. Double-click on the empty space to deselect. Drag in the lighting effects to create a new layer. The first 2 layers control the motor, and the numbers represent the channel. Three layers control the lighting effect, and it can be adjusted with the effects in the effects bar. Channel 4 controls the direction and speed of rotation. For channel input 0 to 126, the larger the value, the slower the speed of rotation. The motor counterclockwise rotation, the greater the value of 129 to 255. The faster the speed of rotation, the motor rotates clockwise. Usually, it is not necessary to rotate too fast. Replace the effect of layer 1 with a color scroll. Click the color, and remove the original parameters. If all parameters are set to 0, the motor stops working. 24 motors are 24 pixels in a round, so add 24 times. When the channel 3 are opened, also the channel 2 are not affected. You can add numerical values to distinguish effects. 3 channel input 16 turn on endless rotation. You also need to add 24 times. You can also add according to the actual desired effect. For easy control, can set the color width to 1. Now you can see that the motor just works 1 round. If you want to run the electricity for a long time, then add a channel to opens infinite rotation. On the contrary, you need to add a channel to turn off the motor. BPM can control the speed of the motor rotation, but cannot control the clockwise nor counterclockwise rotation. You can match more effects according to this channel table. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.